What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Honor 90 and Oppo Reno 10 5G smartphones. So we will see that which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs and the benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmark. So Honor 90 5G scored 597,026 and Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 459,824. So as you can see, performance of Honor 90 is way better compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G here. If we go to the individual test score results, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX. And as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Honor 90 is better compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G. The biggest difference is coming from the GPU section, after that CPU, then memory and then UX. And because of this, the overall benchmarking test score result of Honor 90 is nearly 30% more compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G. So the winner is Honor 90 here. If we go to the 3D mark, so this test is divided in multiple parts, as you can see here. So in Slingshot, Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 5,151 and Honor 90 scored 7,363. In Slingshot Extreme, Reno 10 5G scored 4,081 and Honor 90 scored 5,941. If you are talking about the wildlife section, so in wildlife, Reno 10 5G scored 2,266 and Honor 90 scored 3,179, and in Wildlife Extreme, Oppo Reno 10 5G scored 634 and Honor 90 scored 865. So in all of these four tests, performance of Honor 90 is once again way better compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G, and this is a gaming benchmarking test. So it basically gives the idea about the GPU capability of the device, and as you can see, the gaming performance of Honor 90 5G is going to be better. Even if you're talking about the FPS, you can see the difference we are getting in terms of FPS here. In all of them, performance of Honor 90 is better. It is achieving more FPS, so the gaming performance of Honor 90 will be better compared to Reno 10 5G. So let's go back from here. Now let's have a look on the Geekbench 5. So Reno 10 5G scored 750 in single core and 2263 in multi-core, while Honor 90 scored 823 in single core and 3124 in multi-core. So once again, the winner is Honor 90 in both single core and multi-core, as you can see here. So in all of these three tests, Antutu benchmark, 3D mark and the Geekbench 5, performance of Honor 90 is better compared to Oppo Reno 10 5G. And you can give the credit to the better hardware we got on Honor 90. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.